You can see here we're cross drilling these pins like it calls for. Makes it a little easier, I think, than doing it once it's welded on. You can see here I strapped it down. Put a bushing under there to hold the pin and everything's solid. Got a V-clamp here. Take your drill bit and center it up there before you put the piece in it. And then you know it's centered. And this holds your pipe in the right place. I figured out if you leave that strap on there and one extra bushing under there, you can drill more without messing with the whole setup. You just take it out like that. And slide your new one back in. And slide it back far enough to, I got a little shaving in there now, but you get the idea. You don't have to take your whole setup apart every time to drill. Once you get them drilled, I don't know if you can see that or not, I stamped an A in each side of that so the hole would line up. So you know when you put it through the boom, you can line it up right. And then you don't drill the other side till it's together, so you know it'll line up. This just saves you a step having to drill it on the machine, I believe. You can see here, made a little progress today. And the bucket is linkage there. I just got it tacked. I'm not going to get too carried away till I get the boom part done, but they're turning. All snug, pretty nice. You can see where you pre-drill it on the drill over there. Then you stamp a little letter in it, so you can line it up easy. There's a B and a B. And then your holes lined up. Then you pre-drill. You drill this side later, after your pin's in and everything's hooked up. What I did is I drilled 1/2 of the bushing. Not all the way through, just half. I can use that as a guide to keep my drill bit straight when I have to drill the final pin. That wasn't in the plans. I just thought it was a good idea. You can see there's no hole over here yet. I'll drill all the way through that for the final pin. Alright, here's a piece of mechanical tube. This isn't from our project. This is just a piece I had for practice. There's a TSC bushing I got for practice. Now what I did, took the 1-inch reamer on the lathe like you saw in the last video, reamed that out. Then I realized that the bushing would press in without any lathe work at all. Thought I would have to turn that down, but once you ream it, that mechanical tube, you can press that in pretty easy. I'm hoping it does the same way on the project. All I did was, once I reamed that, I pressed it in with an actual bench vise. See, looks pretty good. I don't know how much tighter you're going to get. What I did after I pressed it in is I cut it in half on my saw. So now I got 2 pieces ready for another project somewhere. But as you can see, it works pretty good.